Put it in the dryer. Whoop. Careful. There you go. Good job. And put that in the dryer too. Make sure it gets in there. Good job. Put those in the dryer. You missed one. Okay, get those in the dryer too. Good job. In the dryer. Good job. Mama's big helper. Okay, put those in the dryer. Can you make sure everything's in? Are your pants in? Okay, here's some more. This one's a heavy one. You got it? Oh. Good job. Okay, put this in the dryer. Put that in the dryer. Pick those up. Put them in the dryer. Here. Can you get while we put this in the dryer? Let's put it in there. There you go. Here, you want to put these in? Here. Put them in. No, in. Thank you. Just a couple more things. Put that back in there. Okay, come shut the door. Come shut the door so Mommy can start it. Hey, this one. This door.
Bye.
Bye.